Want to start reading but don't know where to because everybody here talks about one new book each day and you are confused? मैं क्यों हूँ? Let me break it down to you. So if you want to start your reading, I would suggest that you start with contemporary or something easy to read because obviously you are a beginner. The book that I have to recommend here is Once Upon a Curfew by Shrishti Chaudhary, a very powerful women-centric book that dates back to 1970s. So you get a glimpse of the, purane zamane ki movies as well. So it's almost like you're watching a movie but in the pen and paper format. Second is The Gentleman from Peru by Andre Aciman. Is a very light-hearted, soft romance that spears through your heart in the most beautiful way. Number 2, if you want to read classics, because classics are the best as per me, okay, this is my personal opinion, I would suggest that you start with The Pearl by John Steinbeck. John Steinbeck is a hell beautiful author, okay, beautiful writing, beautiful storytelling, comes with a moral at the end, and it's a very wholesome story and a very sad one as well. The second in the classic category is How Much Land Does a Man Need by Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy के नाम से already तुम लोगों ने skip कर दिया होगा, but trust me, this book comes with 2 short stories with 2 very impactful morals. And when I first wanted to read classics, especially Leo Tolstoy, I started with this one, and trust me, it is not as jaw-breaking as you think it to be or as you think classics in general to be. So the third category is apparently everybody's favorite, which is mystery/thriller, because I think this one genre has a lot of potential to make you into a reader. And the book that I definitely want to recommend is And Then There Were None by Agatha Christie. Although it's a classic, but even then, it's a breezy, very fast paced, मतलब guess ही नहीं कर पाओगे कि क्या है exactly story until the last page. And the second one is a little disappointing from my end because I was expecting a lot from the book maybe, and also because of the hype around the book. And the book is The Woman in the Purple Skirt by Natsuko Imamura. बहुत ज़्यादा thrilling, बहुत मतलब एकदम edge of the seat like book. So very beginners friendly. Writing is flowy. I think this cannot be a bad option. The next one is a fantasy. So if you're somebody who wants books to be like a real escape thing, though I would suggest that you start with Harry Potter and the first part, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's or the Philosopher's Stone. I love Harry Potter and I read it. I binge read the first 2 parts of this book. क्योंकि मैं fantasy ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ती तो इस category में खाली एक ही recommend कर सकती हूँ, ठीक है? The next is poetry, and if you're somebody who wants to start short, so in that case I would suggest Iron Draped in Silk by Surbhi Gupta. I recently read that book and it is a very beginners friendly book. I won't say कि बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब impactful है, मतलब कई beginners के लिए होगा. The next poetry book that I personally really like, which is Question and Marks by Trushali Prajapati. I remember kind of reading it on the very day that I received the book and I was like so much in awe of the book. So I think these 2 books can be in the poetry category for you as a beginner. This is part 1 for beginners guide to reading. Part 2 comes soon. Until then, happy reading, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.